Back when you learned how to read and write numbers, you learned about the digits 0 to 9. To write numbers larger than 9, we learned to use the place value system. Let's say we have a number 231, 231. Using the place value system, we say the number all the way to the right is the ones place. This means that we have one bundle of 1. Then to the left we have the tens place. This 3 here means we have 3 tens. Then over to the left by one more we have the hundreds place, so we have 2 100s. You can add them together, 200 plus 30 plus 1, giving you 231. As we move to the left, we are thinking in terms of bundles of tens. Starting at the right and moving left, we have 10 to the 0 power, then 10 to the first power, then 10 squared, and so forth. So now you see why 10 is a special number in decimal notation. In fact, we've got a name for it, it's called the base. 10 is the base of the exponent in our decimal arithmetic. Since computers use binary notation, rather than decimal notation, let's look at how binary notation works. The bi in binary means 2, so we have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Instead now of having a ones place and tens place and so on, we now have a ones place, a twos place, a fours place, an eights place, and so on, going up by powers of 2. Let's set up some power of 2 places. All the way on the right, 2 to the 0 power is still 1. We can still call that the ones place. We can move to the left of that, that would be 2 to the first power. So we could call that the twos place. Then we have 2 to the second, or the fours place. Now that you see the pattern, we will go ahead and fill out the rest of the 8 positions. Let's say we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, in our binary number. What does this mean? This means you have 128, plus 164, plus 132, plus no 16s, plus no 8s, plus 14, plus 12, plus 11. Now we can add these together, and see what this number is in decimal. After adding these up, we see this binary number represents 231. In other words, this binary number represents the same number as the decimal 231, that we looked at earlier. Now that you have an understanding of binary numbers, we can move on to seeing how to add, subtract, multiply and divide binary numbers. We will cover those in future videos. However, here is a hint: the exact same methods you learned for decimal math can be applied to binary math as well. Thanks for watching.